So, what are we doing today? Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is an epic unboxing on my YouTube channel. Today is the biggest unboxing that I've ever done, ever. Really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, I'm Drew. Welcome. You're catching us on day 10 of Box Week. Box Week is the best week every single month. My YouTube channel is the 1 week. Every single month, me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. That's 7 days of new content every single day. And we actually had bonus days this month because it's my birthday month. And actually today is actually my birthday, like legit my birthday today. So I thought, like, what better to do than do like the most epic unboxing that we've ever done on my YouTube channel than on my birthday. And also, if you're not in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. Okay, so what are we doing today? Also, I don't know how long this video is going to be. I'm going to say it up front. This might be a really long video, but I'm going to try and talk really fast and move really fast. So, last month, you guys kept telling me that Target had released a specialty set of beauty boxes that were being sold. Some of them in stores, some of them online, different than their normal. So Target every month issues like a beauty box you can order online for $7 and send it out. This last month, they did something really crazy where they had like the normal, like you get this box for the month, but then they had 4 bonus boxes, and I got them all. Now, first of all, I got them because I didn't know if Target was going to be doing like a regular beauty box or not. They did. So I was like, great, I got all these boxes. So I figured I would save them for today, and I feel like our stockpile giveaway after this video is probably going to be full, and so if you're like, what's going on with that? All right, so I have so much stuff on my lap right now. This is our stockpile giveaway. We started this a couple months ago. This is the second one we're doing. Basically, we fill up a box full of stuff I get from my subscription boxes, and then after we fill up the box, we give it away to somebody. It's like that simple. You want to win it, you gotta be subscribed to my channel, and then once I actually do the giveaway, you'll know. Okay, so I'm setting these down. I'm gonna go through this fast. Called Treat Yourself. I don't know. So we're gonna see what's in the Treat Yourself box from Target. All of these were $7 each. Like I said, some of them were in stores. Some of them I found online. It was kind of a weird thing. I don't know, but it's kind of cool that they did it. So I'm gonna just try and open this up. Gosh, I feel so nervous. There's so many boxes to open, and I'm like, we gotta move fast. We're gonna be here all day. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here is Olay Regenerist Whip. Light as air finish, powerful wrinkle results without heaviness, active moisturizer. Ooh. That looks actually really cool. I don't know. I might keep that because I'm not sure yet. Okay, we're going to keep going. We're moving fast today. All right, next we have Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Foaming Bath Restore and Replenish. Okay, I'm going to keep this because, like, I always have, like, I've been trying to take baths more. Now that I fit in, like, the bathtub, I'm trying to take baths more, so I'm going to keep that for sure. All right, next item that we have is, I'm trying to pull stuff out so fast, Tiny Me Lavender Lullaby Bath Bomb. Oh my gosh, a bath bomb. This is cool. I'm liking this. All right, I'm going to keep that too. Sorry, I'm like talking about filling up the giveaway box, and so far I'm like, I'm keeping everything. I don't really, well, actually I do something like that. All right, the next we have Free and Lovely Coconut and Rose Softening Body Butter. I actually have body butter in this brand, different scent, so I'm going to put this in the giveaway so somebody can try that. It's actually a really nice brand of body butter. So we have something going in the giveaway. Good job, Drew. Stop being so stingy. All right, next we have Melt-A-Way's Bath Candies. What? What is a bath candy? Melt-A-Ways into warm bath water and let your skin drink in rich hydration. What on earth? Okay, well, I'm keeping all the bath stuff. I need to take baths. This is encouraging me to take baths. It's also just like kind of crazy. I like the themedness of this box. All right, we have Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. I can't see it. I don't know if this is a body, I'm assuming it's a body wash. Oh no, it's for the face. All right, we're gonna put this in the giveaway box because I've been trying to put like face cleansers and stuff like that. And then we have Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Red Dahlia. Red Dahlia. This is going in the giveaway box too because I've been trying to put lip products in there as well. And then what else is in here? Looks like we have a bunch of coupons for like stuff in the box that we got here. I'm throwing that to the side. We do not have time for that right now, girl. So what are we putting in the giveaway box from this box. I feel so nervous. We're putting in the Honest Gel Cleanser, the Free and Lovely Coconut and Rose, and the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm. I'm keeping the bath items, which are right here. And I'm going to keep the travel size of the moisturizer just because if I go on trips, then I don't have to bring like my fancy stuff with me. So if something gets lost, I'm not like so upset about it. Okay, so what do I do right now? All right, you know what? I'm going to put stuff in I have a bag next to me. I'm going to put everything in a bag next to me and we're just going to keep moving. All right, the next box we have is called Be Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, be you, be you. I don't know. Why that was kind of weird. Well, it's what it is. It's my birthday, weird times. All right, next thing. We're trying to pull this box out. I'm like ripping them open. All right, the next thing we're pulling out of this box, the first thing is Simple Micellar Makeup Remover Eye Pads. Ooh, that is cool. Okay, I am gonna keep these two for traveling because I need stuff for when I go on the trips. Next we have Ollie Undeniable Beauty Vitamins for hair, skin, and nails. Wow. Okay, I guess I'll keep that because I don't think I can legally give out vitamins in a giveaway. I don't honestly know how that works, but I'm not gonna do that and take a chance of someone like getting sick or whatever. I don't know. Next we have Nexus Keratin Damage Healing Shampoo. That is gonna go in the giveaway box. We have Gotta Glow Lip Tint Perfect Peach from e.l.f. Beauty. So this is a peach lip tint item. I'm actually gonna keep that. I haven't really tried much from e.l.f. Beauty and I've been trying to challenge myself to try more brands. So I'm gonna keep this. This is from e.l.f. I have a wax brow thing that I use from them that I really like a lot. Oh, snap! We have some glittery green and gold glitter nail polish. I'm putting that in the giveaway. You guys know I get my nails painted. I am not capable of painting my own nails and I am strong enough to say that. Next we have the Nexus Conditioner. So they gave us a good size shampoo and conditioner. That's gonna go in the giveaway box with the other one. And then down in the bottom we have L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleansing Detox and Brighten. Clay to Mousse. Looks like it is a cleanser. And we also have Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. Both of those are gonna go in the giveaway box. And again, we have a ton of coupons. Just gonna throw that to the side. So to quickly recap, we have the eye makeup remover pads, which I'm keeping. The vitamins, which I'm keeping because I don't know if I can give those away anyway. The e.l.f. Beauty Gotta Glow Lip Tint, I'm keeping that. I'm throwing stuff. It's gotten to that point. And then we have the Nexus Shampoo and Conditioner. Those are going in the giveaway. The L'Oreal Cleanser going in the giveaway. The glittery green nail polish and the Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration also going in the giveaway. We're 2 boxes down. All right, into the third one. This one is called All the Masks. So this one I'm pretty confident is going to be all face masks. And you know your girl is excited. I should have ordered like 8 of these boxes and just been like, now we have all the face masks. And honestly, a box full of face masks for $7, that's a deal, honey. That's a deal. So that's really awesome. And you guys, if you're new here and you're like, what's going on? And you're still here, awesome. First of all, way to stick it out. But secondly, I'm a face mask junkie. I live for face masks. So I am literally pulling all these out right now in one shot. We got a multi-mask pack from, I think this is the brand K Bella. Yep, this is K Bella. So it's a charcoal mud mask, super mud mask, and a coconut cream mask. That's really awesome. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydrogel Mask. I've actually been looking at that, I think, in stores and wanting to try it. The I'm like breathing. Did you hear me? I was like, the St. Ives Soothing Sheet Mask with oatmeal. That's actually really cool. Lush Beauty has a really awesome oatmeal mask. If you're ever like looking for an oatmeal mask, just want to throw that out there. Yes to Carrots Nutrition Boosting Vitamin Enriched Kale Paper Mask. Oh, God, that's tough. I should give it to my BFF, Grace. She loves kale. She lives for that stuff. And then we have Mask Bar Luminizing Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. So they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face masks in here. We got a multi-mask pack. I'm trying to look at these quickly and figure out what I want to keep, what I want to put in the giveaway. All right, so I'm going to put the Luminizing Charcoal Peel-Off Mask in the giveaway. I have a lot of charcoal masks. That's something that I get all of the time. I'm going to put in the multi-mask pack from the K Bella. I think this is really cool, and I want somebody to be able to try something like that. because I feel like that's something that's really unique. And I'm going to keep these 3 masks here. I'm going to keep these 2, and this one I think I'm going to give to my BFF Grace. We have an ongoing joke about kale and how I'm like, it's just not that great. So these are keeping. This is going to BFF, and we are down to 1 box. People, I'm so proud right now of how quickly we're getting through this. Also, I'm so sorry I'm a spaz, although I'm not that sorry. And finally, the last box is Wake Up and Makeup. So I'm guessing this is a very much makeup themed box. I do want to point out that it was really hard for me to take these boxes. I had to like shove them in a bag and hide them because they actually show the pictures of what's in the box on the back of them. I learned that when we did the hair one last month. So I'm like, don't look at him, Drew. Just look away, girl. Don't look. And I'm like, but I kind of want to look. And I'm like, don't look. Be surprised. Okay, so, all right. Finally, the last box. We have Dry Spray Invisible Sheer Fresh Dove Anti-Perspirant. I'm gonna keep this. I love this stuff for traveling. This is really great. It's really great when you're on the go. And I know it's weird because you're like, don't you wear dude deodorant? I do wear dude deodorant, but when I'm like away, I like don't need to bring all my extra stuff with me. Next we have CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. Oh my God, that looks so awesome. It's super beautiful. That's going in the giveaway box. I actually have a lot of mascara right now, so that's going in the giveaway box for somebody to enjoy. I don't know if we put a mascara in the giveaway box this month. Next we got a e.l.f. Beautifully Bare blending brush. That's really awesome. Blending brushes are like the staple of my brushes for my makeup routine. And this is going to go in the giveaway box too, because like I said before, I've been trying to give out makeup brushes to people, especially because I know that's something a lot of times people don't have. We have Dove, I can't speak, Refresh and Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. I'm going to keep this too. I want you guys to know that Dove actually has one of the very best dry shampoos I've ever used. Like their blend formula, whatever, is amazing. So that's going in there. We have Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Makeup Remover Wipes. I'm going to keep those for traveling as well. Can you see them? The light's really, really bright today. I guess it's like, these are like Drew's travel essentials. And then we got a Naturally Glow Face Palette, Fresh and Flawless. It looks like this is like a cheek palette, so like bronzer, highlighter, and blush palette from e.l.f. Beauty. That is going in the giveaway box, so somebody can experience all of that kind of magic. And it looks like we got a Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. So it looks like this is like a way to clean your makeup brushes quickly. If you're like doing a couple of makeup looks, we got a bunch of coupons again, throwing those to the side. And that's everything in this box. Okay. So to quickly recap, we got the e.l.f. Beauty Natural Glow Face Palette, the Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. I'm going to keep that because I've never tried anything like that before. We got the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara and the e.l.f. Barely There Blending Brush. Those are going into the giveaway stockpile. And then I'm keeping the Dry Spray Invisible deodorant from Dove, the Dove Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo, and the Makeup Removing Wipes. So that was everything there. So I'm pulling out the giveaway box now, and we're going to fill it up with the things that we put into this bag that's next to me. Yeah, there was a lot. This is really intense. Like, oh my gosh, you guys are gonna freak out. I think our giveaway box is already full again. I'm not even kidding. Oh my gosh, we're so close to filling up this box. Like, oh my gosh, we're like, I don't know. I feel like it's pretty full. Okay, stop falling out. I feel like it's full, guys. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like it's full. You know what? I'm gonna take, hold on. I'm gonna take a couple of these items that I said I was gonna keep for myself, like the Dr. Teal's Restore Foaming Bath and the e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint. I'm gonna put those in the giveaway box as well as the Honest Beauty Cleansing Wipes. I'm putting that in the giveaway box as well. And it looks like our giveaway box is now full. Oh my God, stuff is seriously falling out. So, looks like we're gonna be having to launch another giveaway video in the next couple of days here. Yay! Okay, so that was the most insane unboxing ever. It was actually really, really fun to like speed unbox. I hope you guys enjoyed it at all because it was really intense and it was probably kind of annoying, but I had fun doing it. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and be on the lookout because it looks like we're going to be having a giveaway video very, very soon. Talk to you. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. peel that part off.
Right.
Do you want me to place it on you?
Please.
Would you like me to mask you for your first time?
Oh,
All right, hold on, your headband ready? All right, yeah, get your hair pushed back. Now look at me. Look over at me, okay?